Hey everyone, my name is Len and you are very welcome on my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing this amazing manster, aka Deuce Gorgon, from the 𝆪Find line. Starting off with the box, it has regular 𝆪Find packaging. We can see here Deuce in pair with Frankie and Claudine. The box also has Monster High here and there and basically everywhere. Let's finally open him. Okay, so we got rid of the plastic part. I just noticed his sneakers. This man's shoes are on flick. His shoes looks like he's an average Kanye West enjoyer. Let's get him out. Okay, so first thing that I noticed while holding him in my hands is that he somehow feels more expensive than the G1 Deuce. Unfortunately, my G1 Deuce is another country, but this one feels like it was made out of way more expensive materials. His outfit looks and feels way more expensive, and just the whole doll feels more expensive somehow. I don't get what's so different in this Deuce from the other Deuce that we had previously, but something just makes him worth his money. So talking about the differences between the G1 Deuce and this one, the first thing that pops in your eyes is basically that his skin color is not human skin color as it was in G1, but it's more greenish and snake-like. Personally, I don't really see the issue. His hair is also styled different and his snakes are a different color. They are more greenish, more emerald-like. Maybe I'm a bit doubting the color palette of his outfit because the green jacket is kind of mixing in with his skin tone and he kind of looks like just full green. But nonetheless, I think this doll is very well thought. Talking about his outfit, he's wearing this kind of jean jacket and it kind of gives off Gucci with all the snake vibes. The snake really gives off Gucci. It's basically all in snake prints. I just feel like someone would actually wear this in real life. His t-shirt is also having a snake print. His trousers are also having a snake, which is matching the snake on his arm. His shoes catch my eyes. They're kind of a beige color, but they're snake shaped. The platform is reddish. His legs are fully functional, and the thing that was interesting me is, does he have the tattoo? And nope, he does not have it on neither of his arms. Well, that's a downgrade, but it is what it is. Moving on to his accessories, Deuce has his eye coffin, of course, because every single doll in this line includes an eye coffin. It has a case with a little snake, which is kind of peeking out of the phone. He also has these sunglasses. Also, they're imitating a snake on both sides. Okay, so the first problem that I'm facing with his hairstyle is that his eyeglasses do not match. It's kind of impossible to put them in. Maybe there's like a secret life hack, but basically they do not fit because of his hairstyle. This is the best we can do for now. He has a crossbody bag which you can open and you can comfortably put it on the doll. Next up, we have something that I'm assuming to be an apron. This apron is also snake textured. It has teal ties. Moving on to the bottle, it's white with greenish lid. A Medusa Gorgona. Next up, we have a small cupcake, and I'm not sure if you can take it out. Yeah, you can actually take out the frosting, but not the cupcake itself. Deuce also has a small pack of wax. And lastly, we have Perseus, which is Deuce's pet. He's basically the same as he was in G1. I just love when he let the G1 bats be themselves in 𝆪Find. I loved him since day one. This was it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was 𝆪Find. Subscribe to my channel, leave a like on this video, leave a comment. Bye bye!